hot day. I just found a nice quiet little spot, got a bit of shade here under this tree, and I'm going to try and make myself a coffee, but instead of using a campfire I'm going to use a little bush buddy. So let me show you that and I'll show you how it works. So this is the bush buddy. I looked on YouTube again and I found out how to make one. It's essentially an old paint tin with another tin inside of it, holes down the bottom, holes around the edge, and other holes, and you can see it on the inside, also holes down the bottom of the inside can, as well as a ring of holes on the inside. So what happens is you fill it up with twigs, or just little twigs that you find around, breaks them up, and the fire burns from the top down to the bottom. The smoke travels from the bottom of the inside can up the outer walls and out through the holes in the inside, and that's called regasifying, or it's double burning, so it double burns the smoke, so it's a very efficient little fire. And I've also got a rest that goes on the top and my little 2-cup kettle that sits on top of that. So I'm just going to fill this up with twigs now and get it lit. So as you can see, I've now filled it up with twigs and it's got a bit of just kindling on the top. So let's see if I can light this. I can't do it one-handed though, I'll have to put the camera down and light it now. So, bit of success hopefully, got a flame at the top. It just needs to start to catch the top level and then draw down to the flame. So what happens is the air comes up the outside of the outside can and draws down the air from the inside, and so it'll burn from the top down. I can always top it up with sticks at the top, but the idea is it burns from the top down. So it's starting to go now. So while it gets going and lights the lower sticks, I'll just get my little kettle ready, put in some water. Just enough for 1 cup, that's all I need for today. And then once we start to get the jet flames, I'll put the stand on and then put the kettle on top. Now we have some pretty good flames from underneath. I'll just put the kettle on and be about 2 or 3 minutes. Meanwhile, I'll get my my cuppa instant ready and then get ready to have a coffee. Burning pretty good now, so I'm just getting my cup ready. I'm a recent convert to the milk first rule, so just adding in some milk. Then we'll stir that up and then add the hot water. So our kettle just boiled. Now I'm going to pour myself a cup of coffee. So now it's just time to enjoy the coffee and enjoy the view and the quiet. So you can see that was full to the top before. Now it's burnt right down, and I'll let those ashes burn out, then put it out with some water, and that's all it uses up. Perfect amount just for a cup of coffee.